build that now. Okay, so you can see for making this testimonial, we again need this two section layout. Okay, and here we have to just add this testimonial. Okay, now let's put this 1300 max width again, and here we have to just add 80 to the top, 80 to the bottom. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just go below, and here you can see we have this one and we have this two. So here we can remove all of these paddings, now we have to just go to the one, and here we can just go to 40. In the second one also we can make this to 60. Now you can see we have this image. So again we have to now again we can copy this from here. I think this we can't copy. Let's try. Okay, so this is working. Let's do one thing, let's make this outside. Okay, and this is the empty one. Let's remove this. Okay, so you can see now we can just go to this one and we can make this to the end, in the end like this. So you can see how fast we have built this, and this is saying 500 plus clients. Just we have to go here and we can remove this 500 plus, and here we can write clients, and you can just change the image of this, just update the image. So the image we have is this client image. Okay, so this is looking good. Now we have to add this slider. Let's wait for it. Now let's publish this once. Okay, now you can see that we have this. So for that we're gonna build this. Now let's try it. Let's copy this and let's go to the second section. First we have to add a spacing. So let's keep the spacing, and here we can have the 60. Okay, so now you can see we can rename this to testimonials. Okay, now you can see we have to copy this, paste this. Now you can see we have to make this full width like this. Also we can have this here. Okay, now you can see we have the container. Okay, now we can search for the carousel widget again. Okay, and for this carousel widget we can make this one. This would be also one. Okay, now what we have to do, we can just go to this carousel. Let's remove all of these paddings, and inside this we have this slide one. Make this full width and remove all of these paddings, or we can keep some padding like 30. Okay, now let's add a heading here. Okay, we can duplicate this multiple times to increase more dummy content like this, Okay, this is done. Now you can see we have this. So this is also can be made by using this image box. Okay, like this. And now if I go to this, and we can choose the image here. Okay, we can choose this image. Let's see this image. Okay, then after that we can see Robinson Adam structure, So we can write here Robinson Adam. Then you can see in the description we can make this to like this, and here we can increase and decrease the font size of this. Okay, now we can go to the box, and here we can just make it like this. Okay, so this is done, and here we have a content hover. We can make this to theme 1. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to just go to this, and here we can just duplicate this. Okay, then after that what we can do, we have to just go to the navigations. Here we can remove all of these navigations. Okay, now you can see we have these dots here. Okay, now you can see we have these dots. So for this dot we can go to the styles. Here the paginations. Okay, now we can just increase the size of this. Okay, now let's publish. Now after that let's go here and we're going to replace it. Okay, now let's go below, and here you can see our testimonial section is also ready, and this is auto sliding also.